Question 171. Can you describe your experience with Azure DevOps automation using PowerShell scripts? I leverage PowerShell scripts to automate tasks such as resource provisioning, configuration management, deployment, and monitoring in Azure DevOps. I ensure script efficiency, error handling, and version control for seamless automation. Question 172. How do you troubleshoot and resolve build failures in Azure DevOps pipelines? I analyze build logs, error messages, and test results to identify the root cause of build failures in Azure DevOps pipelines. I debug configuration issues, dependencies, and code errors to implement effective solutions and ensure successful builds. Question 173. Can you explain the importance of continuous integration and continuous deployment in Azure DevOps? Continuous integration, C, ensures that code changes are integrated into a shared repository frequently, while continuous deployment, CD, automates the release process to deliver changes to production quickly and reliably. I implement CI/CD pipelines for efficient software delivery. Question 174. How do you monitor and optimize costs in Azure DevOps projects? I use Azure Cost Management plus Billing to monitor resource usage, analyze cost trends, and optimize spending in Azure DevOps projects. I implement cost allocation tags, right-sizing, and reserved instances to reduce unnecessary expenses. Question 175. Can you explain your experience with Azure DevOps multi-stage YAML pipelines? I design multi-stage YAML pipelines in Azure DevOps to define build, test, and deployment stages as code. I use variables, conditions, triggers, and templates to create flexible, efficient, and reproducible pipelines for complex workflows. Question 176. Can you describe your experience with Azure DevOps extensions and Marketplace? I leverage Azure DevOps extensions from the Marketplace to enhance functionality, integrate tools, and automate tasks in Azure DevOps projects. I develop custom extensions, publish them to the Marketplace, and collaborate with the community to improve productivity. Question 177. How do you ensure scalability and performance in Azure DevOps pipelines for large-scale projects? I optimize pipeline configurations, parallelism, and resource allocation in Azure DevOps to ensure scalability and performance for large-scale projects. I use caching, artifact retention policies, and distributed builds to speed up pipeline execution. Question 178. Can you explain your approach to disaster recovery planning for Azure DevOps environments? I create disaster recovery plans, backup strategies, and failover procedures for Azure DevOps environments to ensure business continuity in case of data loss or outages. I test recovery processes regularly and update plans based on feedback and lessons learned. Question 179. How do you ensure data privacy and security compliance in Azure DevOps pipelines? I implement data encryption, access controls, audit logging, and data classification in Azure DevOps pipelines to protect sensitive information and comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. I conduct regular security assessments and audits to maintain compliance. Question 180. Can you explain your experience with Azure DevOps integration with other Azure services? I integrate Azure DevOps with Azure services like Azure Monitor, Azure Security Center, Azure Key Vault, and Azure App Service to enhance security, monitoring, secrets management, and application deployment in Azure DevOps projects. I ensure seamless integration and automation for end-to-end workflows. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.